Okay, today's task, new apron. I'm gonna start taking that old apron off. This is a new one I got from Wolfsburg West. There's the part number. I took off the little cap here to see if it fit. It does. Apparently on some of them the hole is too big or something, but it fits fine. It's actually that brand. No idea how to say it. But I've used a few of those parts from that company. They seem to fit okay. It's not great, but this I feel like isn't too complicated. I'm going to disconnect the hood latch piece and then grind off the welds. This is from the previous repair that was done on this bug, and then I welded this side on here because I replaced this part. Now I got to drill them back out and do it all over again, but that's okay. I wasn't prepared for replacing this at that time. Shouldn't be too bad. Just drill those out, grind that down a little. Hopefully it comes off. That's today's task. I'm gonna start off by drilling out the holes there on this side. I'm gonna get a different drill bit. This one sucks. I grabbed a different bit. See if it goes any better. Turn this thing up. Let's see how. Got the cutoff wheel. I gotta get a little bit on like the edge here. I'm gonna take the. Let's see here. Gotta get it in there. Maybe kind of a bad angle. Need to cut that. There's a weld there. Just hoping to get up underneath it. See if I have something flatter. Skinny screwdriver here. Broke that top part loose there. I just cut it with the cutoff wheel, and then I used the chisel and broke that weld loose because I couldn't get the cutoff wheel all the way down there. If I would have cut it, it would have cut through this panel. So that's loose now. I'm gonna put it in time lapse so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me do this all day. All right, finally got this loose. Took me a while. I was trying to not drill it out super big, but for this panel's sake. I'm not worried about this panel because I'm replacing it, but now I'm I'll go underneath, and there's a couple welds underneath. I'm gonna grind those down and then go to this side. This side hopefully will be easier because they just welded the outer edges and they didn't actually plug weld those. Try to show you what I was just doing here. Let's get the light down here. So it was just tack welded on here. So it's just separating the floor here. Try to get a shot of it here, just like this. Camera for you. Hopefully I'm not blocking the camera. Cut this top here. I don't know if I can get in there. A little bit. Not a lot. I nicked it there. So this one I'll try to just cut it with the chisel. Possibly. Break some of this apart. It's gonna be loud, sorry. So that came apart. This thing in here, skinny. Might have to cut that a little more. Let's weld it a little bit. Right on. Got those out. I'm gonna stick all these back on here. The latch out. Nope. Looks like there's a couple welds still holding it on. Underneath there. Let's figure those out here. Down on this side. All right, all right. Maybe. There it goes. Got it out. Voila. So this is why I replaced it, because it was nasty under here. Gonna clean off a couple of the weld marks here, grind off this rust. Then I'll weld up these holes before I put the other panel on. It doesn't fit very well. I'm gonna have to definitely play with it. That blocks where the fender bolts down. Goes up too high up here, so I'm gonna have to finesse it around a bit. Probably do that tomorrow. And while this is off, I think I'm gonna clean all that up, make it a lot easier while that's out of the way. Drill that rivets out and wire wheel all that probably. I ended up staying up a little bit longer and working on it. I had to grind down the new apron. It was blocking the holes where the fender would bolt onto. So I had to reshape the new apron. So I just took my flap disc and kind of rounded out the apron to where the holes were exposed so I can put a bolt in for when I do mount the fenders. Both sides were the same way, just not lining up at all. I don't know why these aftermarket parts never fit right, but I feel like every single time you got to play with it. But I'm glad they make parts for them still. I ended up cleaning up for the night and headed in. Thanks for watching.